What is going on YouTube? Today I have an awesome video for you guys. I have the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro vlog combo. Now, if you guys didn't know, I'm sure if you've been following this YouTube channel for a while, you've probably seen in a lot of the reflections of the handhelds that I have that my entire YouTube channel is essentially run by the Osmo Pocket 3, which I'm currently using to film this right now. Now, my wife has like a Sony A7 IV, and there's like a bunch of cameras that I can use to shoot these videos, but the quality that comes out of this thing is just so amazing, and it's so just frictionless, ease of use, and just USB-C cable to my MacBook. And yeah, I absolutely love these things. I saw this thing out in the wild out here in Japan, and I just felt like I had to pick it up as just an investment in this YouTube channel. So if you guys are curious about this is going to be an unboxing and first impressions video, and yeah, let's get right into this. First, we'll check out the boxage. You can see the little, I wanted to say Cyclops, but actually it's like a dual clops, or regular clops, whatever. Two cameras there. On this side, you have DJI, bunch of mumbo jumbo on the bottom, DJI, nothing on top. Alright, let's see what we got in the back. You have your dual camera cinematic shots far and near, so you have that 1-inch CMOS sensor as well as the telephoto lens. So here you can see 1-inch CMOS, enhanced 1-inch CMOS, and 17 stop dynamic range. Classic focal length, so better bokeh for people and whatnot. New D-Lug 2 light and shadow precision. That's something that I really want to kind of get into. I don't really like shooting D-Log and color grade and all that. I just kind of like open it up and let it rip, which is zero problems for me. Like I just, I'm a YouTube video on like handheld, so it hasn't really been that big of a deal, but maybe I should start getting a little bit more serious into that. 4K 240 FPS slow motion, that is super sick. In camera live photo support, 103 gigs of built-in storage. That's huge. If you forget your memory card or something like that, you'll never miss a moment. 3-axis stabilization and active track up to 12 times zoom. And here is what you get inside of the box in the vlog combo. So you get the 4 Pro, a fill light, magnet, mini tripod, frame top, a microphone transmitter, a magnetic clip for it, 2 wrist straps, carrying bag, USB-C 3.1 cable, handle with 1/4 inch thread for tripods and whatnot, magnetic front cover, portable carrying pouch, transmitter, magnetic charging cable, windscreen, and a frame tap magnetic charging cable. All right, that was a lot. Let's just get in here and see what we got. And for those of you interested, by the way, this is a store out in Japan that I got this from, the Bic Camera Group, Kojima. Alright, let's pull this out. Alright, let's get into the technical documentation. Alright, I believe this just takes you to the DJI app. Nothing too crazy there. Mumbo jumbo, safety stuff. And it just gives you like a little how-to guide with stickers. Alright, file that off to the side. Next, gonna check out this little bag. 'Cause and also, price I paid for this out here, 113,000 yen, which was like 700 bucks flat, maybe like 710 bucks or something like that. A simple little bag. Comes with a snack. Little pouch here, maybe for a microphone. Another little pouch here. Button it up, get something bigger in there, strap it in if you'd like. Pretty nice, pretty simple, and a good quality feel to that. Alright, meat and potatoes. Let's get in here. Alright. First things first, let's check out the package. This is like a very, I don't know what material this is, but it feels water resistant and very durable, almost like a fake leather. Holy guacamole, that's a lot of stuff. Alright, first let's get the star of the show out. File that off to the side for right now. In here we have ooh, the little light. And I guess to show off some of these things, I'm gonna have to open this up. Man, this thing is huge. Okay, let's see. Rotate screen, zoom button, custom button. Alright, it's just kind of going over all the stuff that I pretty much already know. Shows you the 1-inch CMOS, 3x telephoto. Alright, and I gotta say, this thing's far less pocketable than the Osmo Pocket 3 or 4. But if you want those super nice lenses, the extra bulk is a price that you have to pay. And let's see this little light. Does it have battery, or does it take battery from the camera? So it looks like it's probably going to attach here. So if I just boom. Ooh. Okay, let's see. English, check. Alright. Let me set that up later. But you have the the light here. That is pretty sick. Oh. So yeah, getting it to like however you want it, slapping it on. Let's just skip that for now. Skip. Okay, I'll update this all later. Quick start guide. Shutter record. Yep. Joystick right there. Yep. Zoom button. Nice. Custom button. Push twice, 3 times for trigger. Easy peasy. Rotate screen, power on and off, and these are all like things you could customize in the settings later down the road. UHS U3 micro SD card recommended. Okay. Swipe down from the top. Those are like your quick settings, or to get into the settings. That's super loud speakers. Shooting parameters down there. Change shooting mode. Video. Yep. This is playback. and some nice filters and stuff. Gimbal mode, multi-tracking, spotlight follow, dynamic framing, all kinds of settings here. Rotate the gimbal around, and now you could see me with the Osmo Pocket 3 right there. And here's the little light on here as well. Let's try and turn this on. Whoa, there we go. Now that that is pretty dope. I'm not gonna lie. Updating fill light. What does that even mean? Is it like a firmware update? Oh, it just got. Ooh, it updated the light. That is sick. Alright. You can see. Yeah, keeping me in focus there. Man, this thing is nuts. And I look so clear in that little viewfinder from what I see right there. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, let's flip that around. Take off this light here. Alright, let's continue going through the accessories, but seeing that little quick start guide, pretty neat. So many goodies to get into here. I forgot how this thing folded. So just like that. Yeah. Put that back in there. This is the little handle to put this bad mama jamma on a tripod. What I'm using right now. That's basically telling you that's like the eject button. So you just slap it on just like that. And now you either have like a bigger handle, or you could screw it into a tripod. You push this to eject. There you go. And easy peasy. Alright. There's also something underneath it. Probably the tripod. Very nice little tripod to put this down and kind of, do a little vlog thing wherever you're at. Probably my most sought after accessory in this bundle. And that is the microphone. Can't remember what it's called. It's like the DJI 2 Mini or something like that. But look at how little this thing is. It's like the size of a quarter. Oh man, that's a sick color too. I like that. So you could kind of like get this and put it in your shirt, and great audio. I'm actually using the DJI Mic 2 that came with the Osmo Pocket 3 bundle, and also gives you a little clip accessory. Same thing, clip it onto your shirt and you have perfect audio. And it connects, of course, without any like transmitter or receiver or whatever. This is the transmitter. The receiver is built into the camera, so it just sends all of the audio over with no issue. That is super clean, super awesome. Oh cool, it just kind of all can get stored together just like that. I did miss something in this bag here. Oh, that's a little puff thing that you could put on your microphone. I'm just gonna leave that in there. You guys kind of get the gist. What is this? Is this a wireless like viewfinder? I still need to set that up. Okay. Alright, let me turn this on. Does it need to be? Oh, didn't like that. Okay, I think there's a charger in here or something. I'm gonna need to come back to you guys with what this is. I don't know if it's not charged or what, but oh, it turned on. Okay. Oh, it just automatically picked it up. It is a wireless viewfinder. Oh my goodness, that is sick. So you could just have this thing, set this up, and control your Osmo Pocket 4 entirely from this little doodad. That is awesome. And everything that you really need is like on here. Man, I am nerding out over how feature packed and how cool this is. This is like a legitimate upgrade. You could even watch. Oh. But of course, I don't have anything recorded just yet. Quick zoom. That's pretty dope. Man, this thing is super sick. I'd say the only drawback is it looks like it's going to have a proprietary pogo pin connectivity charging thingamajig instead of USB-C, which I am honestly not a fan of. Speaking of that, how does this charge? Let me check this out real quick. But this thing is super dope. No, this is also proprietary pogo pin charging mumbo jumbo. But, I mean, whatever. If you keep it all in the little same bag that you take out with you, shouldn't be the biggest deal. Let's see what this is. Yeah, I got. This is super confusing. Is this just a shell to change the color? Okay. Don't really know how useful that is. Maybe it helps you tell mic 1 and mic 2 apart, I guess. Alright. Let's see. Hand lanyard. Here is going to be your little proprietary Pogo Puck charging cable thingamajig. I'm not going to take those hand lanyards out because I think you guys kind of get the gist of that. Pogo Puck charge. Interesting. This is not how. Looks like only the microphone fits in that. Wait a second. Yep. Alright, so microphone, Pogo Puck charging. Yeah, I kind of like the USB-C charging of the old mic better. Maybe I'm old. Okay, but then how do I charge this? I don't think that's how you charge this. I'm gonna have to actually get into some of these user manuals. Now, guys, this was just an unboxing and first impressions video. This has already gone on for like 20 minutes. If you want to see me like actually make a review and go out into like the wild and record some stuff with this, let me know in the comments down below. Leaving a like, sub, and comment goes a long way in supporting the channel. I really appreciate you guys stopping by, and I'll catch you in the next one. Later.